What's good, everybody? So today is day 76, and I am so sore. Um, I feel kind of bad for, taking a hiatus and whatever after that party and, recuperating for a day or so, and then like things were kind of just out of whack. So it took some time for me to keep things going, but I don't know if like working on the comic outside, like promoting it and sharing stuff and everything like that is qualifies as working on the comic. I don't think so, but I've at least been doing that stuff, and I've been trying to maintain doing that and other financial needs and setting up meetings and all that kind of stuff. So I've been busy, but as far as actual real work on the comic, I have not yet been able to do. But today I plan on writing the next page because honestly, it was kind of up in the air. I didn't really know. Well, I thought I knew what I wanted to do, but I just changed my mind. I think it would be cool to introduce another character. Well, as ambitious as that sounds, well, one of my characters, Shayla, the I guess the only girl that I've been drawing. She's actually a single mom, and I thought it'd be cool to introduce a her daughter, um, and just to provide like a different perspective of her and of to bring some, I guess, innocence to the comic. And in this next page, I have room for something different, so I might go ahead and do that. Um, I'm a little weary because inking is usually inking, especially a new character and whatnot, different angles and everything is usually um, the episodes or the pages that I take like 3 or 4 pages on, and I don't really have that much time because I'm out of episodes in the tank or on deck because I ran out of time or I ran out of episodes. So I need to do this quickly if I do decide to do this. And today's what, Saturday? So we'll see. I should be able to do it though. I just gotta keep working. I'm not gonna work tomorrow, so I'll be home all day, and hopefully I'll just pipe it out. But anyway, before I end, I just want to give a quick shout out to the 100 Days of Making Comic Challenge group because they released they finished their anthology that they've been working on all last year, and it's on Kickstarter right now. It's called Lost in Space, and it looks really dope, really dope. I'm kind of jealous I'm not in it, but hopefully I will be in the next one if they decide to do it again. Just want to give those guys a shout out. Want to say, I don't know, happy Saturday. Hope your life is going good. I like to think that I'm doing better at my work ethic and whatnot. I think that even when I wasn't really working on the comic itself, I was kind of uncomfortable being comfortable. So that's a good feeling to have. Well, when you're trying to be a workaholic. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Sorry, no Photoshop work today, but just come back tomorrow and I'll have some goodies for you. All right, take care, guys.